elegant, durable, lightweight, fast, swooshable. This is only the beginning of the words that we use to describe this epic Rebuild the Galaxy set. Jedi Master Barbarian A-Falls Jedi Starfighter. I like the speed build in the description if you're interested. Today I'm going to be doing a review for this set, and the minifigures that come with it, of course. Because, you know, those are, onto the video. The first minifigure I'd like to talk about is the bad guy of the set, the Admiral Akbar Clone Trooper. The torso, legs, and blaster are all of a standard Storm/Clone Trooper. However, the head is actually an Admiral Akbar character. I've never gotten an Admiral Akbar, so this was really lucky for me, because when I'm not really into the Rebuild the Galaxy or I'm doing my stop-motion movies like this, I can always just use the head. Servo is my second favorite minifigure of this set, right next to Jedi Bob. Servo is built out of Lego pieces, and the legs are actually one plate shorter than he actually is in the show, and you can see he has a sort of grill right there. It's another Lego Star Wars adventure! Yeah, I have a pretty good Servo voice. Sig's companion is one of my favorite characters in the whole show, so I was really excited to get this. Jedi Master Barbarian A-Fall. I'm still working on my voice a bit, but anyway. He has a green lightsaber. That's pretty special for me, because I only ever got 2 green lightsabers. Brown hood piece, nice torso print, brown cape. Literally no detailing on the back. I'm trying to stay true to a classic, I get it. However, the face is double-sided. That is a huge improvement over the last one, just a smiling face. Even some of the printing is made to look like it's actually a true classic minifigure from your Lego bin. Don't call me Jedi Bob. Moving on to the main part of the video, the set itself. First off, we have a cockpit that can fit just about any minifigure. Jedi Bob's cape sort of goes over the headrest there. I decided to do Sig with a scared face because, you know, flying was his problem back in Season 1. Then the next feature I'm going to show is this hidden compartment that did have a banana, but I lost it. At any rate, it came with blue milk. I don't know if this is the exact carton, but, you know, still, blue milk. Always nice. Underneath, we have 2 clips and a landing gear, as well as some stud shooters. There's landing gear. Nice little clicky joint in light gray, which is really cool to get. The purpose of the clip down here is so you can store Jedi Bob's lightsaber while he's in flying mode, and of course an extra ammo when you're having some of the spaceship battles, firing at your other vessels that you've lined up along a table or something like that. I have terrible aim with these things, but that's not the point. Demonstrating the spring-loaded missile launcher for those of you who haven't gotten those yet and you're looking to start collecting Star Wars. They shoot it pretty fast. I'll replay that in slow-mo. While this feature is listed nowhere officially on LEGO's website that I'm aware of, I like to pretend that this section of the Starfighter can double as the droid socket for Servo, because Sig also has one of these in the show at the end of Season 1, and he used it pretty early on in Season 2 during the training. And Servo wasn't exactly there, which kind of disappointed me, but still, decent spot if you just upgraded a bit to fit his legs. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'm Jay's Bricks Mix. Please like, subscribe, and of course, comment what you want to see in future videos.